Here I have Vivo V21, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live headphones to this device. So firstly you have to open a headphones case for them to enter pairing mode. Then you have to enable Bluetooth, go to its section, tap pair new device, and after you see these headphones in the list of the available devices, just tap on them, and after that they will be paired. So if you want to disconnect from them, tap on the gear icon here, and you have two options, either to disconnect or to forget this device forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.